Welcome guys. Well, where else would we start some YouTube videos than with my own personal car broken? That's what happens with the clutch once you do too many launches on them, unfortunately. So we're down here at BRM Performance here in Adelaide. Mark has been kind enough to squeeze us in on ultra short notice to get that done. Whilst it's down here and everything's out, we thought we would get some extra stuff done, bearing a brand new MFactory 1.5 way LSD in the front. Neat's gearbox will rebuild, heat treat and do the works on the factory 5-speed, as well as while the gearbox is out. Alternator goes in as well because it's ultra easy to get in there. The whole thing finally packaged up, all done and dusted, and yeah, we'll go from there. All right, let's do this. Well, unfortunately, all the video for the gearbox, the walk around, what Neats had actually done, didn't work. So it's just part of learning with all this stuff. I'm sure we'll rectify it. So just a quick update then verbally. So Neats, the clutch had actually stripped most of the sleeves in the gearbox, most of the Syncros as well. With how worn it was, that's something that was almost to be expected. So replaced all of that, did a set of their carbon Syncros as well. But other than that, the rest of the box actually showed pretty good health for 170,000k box. And then while they were at it, they fitted an MFactory front diff into the transfer case, put all the preloads and everything in it, and now I'm just here at BRM, just picking up the car now to go all bedded in, do some figure eights, and start to get some shifts on this new clutch. But I can't thank the boys at BRM enough. Like these guys are absolute champions, and I can't thank Sam as well. Everyone's been pretty helpful in the whole process, but we will see you guys soon. I'll do a bit of a build breakdown with the car front to back. Obviously, having a video of the car broken to start with is not ideal, but we'll do a video of it all broken down and what the car's got, and even some costing into it for anyone that's looking to get into this motorsports, and that way at least you've got some understanding. And we'll see you guys soon.